Hello everyone, welcome back to SR Technologies. Today we are going to discuss Databricks Free Edition account creation. How we can create a Databricks Free Edition account creation. First of all, before jumping into it, first of all, let's try to understand it. What is Databricks? Databricks is nothing but it is a unified data analytics platform that helps. Basically, what it helps, it is going to organize, process, as well as analyze, as well as visualize large amount of data in a efficient way. In a efficient way. How can you process the large amount of data? What is the mechanism which you are going to use it? Internally, it is going to have it. There is a built-in Apache Spark platform which is available as part of the Databricks. And you can process even terabytes of data as well. Terabytes of data as well. Now, this is fine, but who are going to use it, this particular database? Whom it is going to be helpful? Is it only for the data engineers? People are using, data engineers are using, as well as data analysts can be used, as well as people are using AI/ML, artificial intelligence, as well as machine learning people are also using it, and as well as data science people are using it. That is fine. But when you are telling this many people are using, what are the languages it supports? By default, Spark is available. And this database, it supports with multiple languages. What are those languages? Python, SQL, R, as well as it supports Scala. It supports Scala. And even it supports AI as well as machine learning. Machine learning also it supports. And it is having built-in tools, ML flow, as well as AutoML, and as well as it is going to deploy, and you can easily build and as well as deploy models very faster way. And even Databricks is associated with the storages. When it comes to storages, what are the storages it can be associated? You can associate with the cloud storage, especially with the AWS S3, Azure Blob, and GCP bucket as well. And it is even providing certain facilities that is nothing but a Delta Lake, and the Delta Lake also, which is going to provide. This is one of the important thing as part of the Databricks. Now, this and all fine. Can we get into the how to create a Databricks free edition? Sir, in the previous class, when you are explaining as part of the previous classes, you are mentioning clearly how to create a community edition account. So, as part of the ETL testing, you asked me to learn PySpark as well, and you have created a community edition account, and you have explained certain things here. Now, you can go to my channel. Here you can see my channel, SR Technologies Ravindra Reddy, and here I have created new account just for to demo. I have created new account. I have logged in YouTube with that particular account. Here you can see that SR Technologies Ravindra Reddy. Here, what it is happening in this particular channel, you can go to PySpark playlist, mastering PySpark playlist. In this particular playlist, in the first video itself, I have mentioned how to create a Databricks Community Edition account. But this Community Edition account, okay, it supports only limited features. Databricks recently, these are the features which is going to be available. You can go ahead and you can create a cluster here. You can create a cluster as well as you can create a notebooks here. Notebooks here. So this is the way it is going to be. It is going to help you. But there are advanced features also there as part of the Databricks. How can I access freely? When I'm creating this Databricks Community Edition account, I have not given my credit card. I have not given my any detail other than Gmail address. Same similar version. We can even create the free edition account. This is fine. Free edition account. When you are mentioning free edition account, what are the features are associated with the free edition account? What are the features are associated? Can we get into first we'll create the free edition account, and then after that we can go ahead and we can explore the free edition account features. So how can we create a free edition account? How can we create a free edition account? Just we'll get into here. So first is go to Databricks. Here you can see previously free trial was there. Now they are giving the free edition. Okay, free edition account, which is permanently available for you. With the lot of functionality. Just you can go to here, sign up, continue with Google, whatever it is available, data engineer 2025, I'm giving. Here you can continue. Then automatically what it is going to do, it is going to ask you what is the name of your account. I'm giving data engineer 663. Continue. And then it is asking which location are you from. Just you can give the country name and start giving the puzzle, and whatever the direction of this particular hand is there, that side we have to move this particular image. Once you have done that, it is going to identify it is a you are a human. So once you have done that, then it is going to create the account. Just look at it here, how simple it is. Just it will take a couple of seconds. Just allow like max 2 to 3 minutes, not more than that. Meanwhile, I will explain you. Let it create it up, and then we'll see. So now you can see how many features. Previously only this much is there. Now let me go back to this one. Now you can see here you have only workspace, workflows, compute, and catalog is there, experiment. But now you can see there are a lot of features are there. Now you can even in this SQL editor, whatever the SQL which you are using day in, day out, that particular thing, you can directly go ahead and you can utilize it. There is a serverless. You need not to create a cluster directly. You can go ahead and you can create a serverless cluster. Just I will show you simple thing. Select 2 plus 5. Okay, 2 plus 5. Just I'm running it up here. It automatically this serverless going to be run, and it is going to be available for you. It is going to give you the results. Just it is starting it out, and then you can see here it is executing. This particular thing is executing, and then you can see here it is running it out. Just allow a couple of seconds. It is going to run. It is going to give us 7. So you can utilize the SQL as well. So the very important thing is whenever you go with the free edition account, what it is happening in the free edition account, it is going to give you additionally SQL editor, which is nothing but whatever the tables, whatever you are going to and you are utilizing it, those things you can directly utilize it here. And here you can see this is the catalog. In this particular catalog, if you wanted to go ahead and if you wanted to see Unity catalog also, you can go ahead and you can do that. Now, same thing, whatever you are doing it here, right? Even you can create it as dashboards here, like this way. Just I will show you some samples so that you will understand it. There are a lot of additional features which they are going to and which they have provided. Now, the important thing is whenever you are practicing it, for example, let's take it up here. Whenever you are going with the workspace, first we'll go ahead and we'll create it up one notebook. The important feature, what I'm trying to explain you as part of this, just take it up first notebook here. First notebook, let's keep it together. Notebook. Now, the first thing is what I wanted to write, what I wanted to go ahead and what I wanted to explain you. The important thing is in the free edition account itself, you do have a AI capability. Now I wanted to read a CSV file. First row is header. Can you please provide the code for that. Just I'm giving a simple example. Can you see here? Is it given? So whatever you have to create it of data frame, it is going to and it is given. This particular thing, this particular details it is given. Now, if your coding is very easy, even though you are not aware of coding, but still, even I'll ask one more question, very simple question. Can you please generate the function which is adding 2 numbers and give me the output. So I'm just giving like here, look at it here. So even it is given this particular code. Now, one more question I'm asking here, with AI, give me the employees, whose salary is greater than 10,000 is SQL. Okay, try to understand it. Try to understand it. Even it is going to generate the SQL. Suppose even if you wanted to go ahead and if you wanted to generate it in SQL, so very simple. You can keep it as it is Python, and you can write it up here. Write the SQL code for getting the employees whose belongs to department 10. Department 10. Now you can see here internally whatever you are writing it up, right? It is considering employees as a table where you can go ahead and you can take this query, and this is the one of the important feature where you can go ahead and you can utilize AI capability as part of your day-to-day work. So this is fine, sir. When it comes to day-to-day, okay, am I going to be the features are going to be associated with the Databricks in the Enterprise Edition? These are the features which are associated with the Enterprise Edition. Now you can go ahead and you can explore this as you can easily learn your day-to-day stuff as part of your Free Edition account compared to Community Edition account. Now this is fine. Now you are mentioning SQL editor also, right? You are mentioning SQL editor also. In SQL editor, okay, in SQL editor also, can I go ahead and can I use the AI? Can I go ahead and can I use the AI? Can I do that? Can I do that? Is that feasible? In real time, you can use that even real time, you can go ahead and you can utilize the AI capability. Now you can see here, there is a, you can see here, it is a toggle assistant where you can write it up. Write the SQL query to get the second highest salary along with details, along with first name, last name, and department ID, salary as well. Let's see how it is going to be created. Let's see. Can you see here? Is it generated the SQL? You can see here, it is generated literally. It is doing your work day in, day out. So this is the way in Enterprise Edition, you can go over and you can utilize this level of capabilities. So that is where Databricks is providing. Databricks is associated with the AI, and it is providing this many capabilities. Even though you are not aware of a lot of things, you can learn it with AI, as well as even though if you are aware of the concept, code will be generated by the Databricks. So these many features are available in the Free Edition account. So you can utilize it. And you can go to here, compute, same similar question. You can go ahead and you can do that, and you can easily work with that. So here you can stop the SQL warehouse. You need not to utilize it. Now here, this is the way you can go ahead and you can deal with it. Now what about the general purpose cluster? You can go to here, general purpose cluster. Whether I will explain you in the next video how to create a general purpose cluster as part of the Free Edition account. So I need to explore that particular topic. Thank you. You can go ahead and you can create the Free Edition account. Still, if you have any questions, please drop in a message. I will go ahead and I'll guide you.